Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to stop pop-up ads permanently on your Android phone. Alright, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your mobile device and scroll down to the bottom of the page. After that, open the Google tab from the menu and select Manage your Google account. Now go to the Data and Privacy section, scroll down to the Ads section, and turn the Ads Center off. After that, go back to the Google account selection page, and this time access All Services tab. Go to the Ads section, open Advertisement ID and delete it. Once done, close the Settings app, open the Chrome browser, and then access the Settings page. Here, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select Site Settings. Now toggle off the third-party cookies feature and block all of them. Then go to the Intrusive Ads section and also disable it. After doing everything, open the Settings app again, access the App section, then locate and delete any suspicious app you think is the cause of ads, and you are done. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.